Hi everyone, hope you're keeping well during lockdown. I had an idea to make one recipe to share with you each week that you can all try at home. This week I'm making Thai chicken fried rice. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so these are the ingredients for 2 people. So we've got some chicken that's just been chopped, that's 2 breasts of chicken. We've got 2 eggs, coriander, handful of coriander. I've got 3 red chillies in here. I like it quite spicy, so it depends how hot you like it. Half a lime, 4 chopped green onions or spring onions, about 8 cherry tomatoes, 2 large cloves of garlic, about a quarter of cucumber. We've got one tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 2 packets of rice, and not forgetting a beer for the cook. Okay, we're going to add the chicken to about 1 tablespoon of vegetable or sunflower oil. Okay, so once your chicken is nice and brown, we're going to add the garlic and we're going to cook for about 1 minute. Okay, so now we're adding the rice. So this is for 2 people. Just going to stir fry that. Add the fish sauce, so 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Okay, that goes in. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Okay, that goes in. And then we're going to make a little hole in the middle. We're going to add our eggs. 1, 2. We'll just let that cook for a little bit. Scramble it, and then as it gets harder, we're going to mix it in to our rice. So cook that through for another minute or so, and then we'll add the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so once the egg is cooked, we're going to add the other ingredients. So we've put in the cucumber, the tomatoes, the spring onions, and we've got half a lime going in. Our coriander, and not forgetting our chillies. Yummy! Okay, so once you've stirred in all the ingredients, you can serve into bowls. And then I would suggest adding a splash of fish sauce and a wedge of lime. And there you have it. There's my Thai fried chicken rice. Enjoy, guys!